Harness the power of English for self-help and personal growth. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating subject, self-help and personal growth. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to talk about these topics in English, which will help you not only in your language learning journey but also in expressing your personal development interests. In this section, we will cover some essential words and phrases that you'll often encounter when talking about self-help and personal growth. Self-help is the practice of improving oneself without relying heavily on others. Examples of self-help activities include reading books, meditating, and setting personal goals. Personal growth, on the other hand, refers to the process of developing one's abilities and qualities to reach their full potential. This can be through gaining new skills, overcoming challenges, or striving for higher achievements. Here are some common words and phrases related to these concepts. Motivation, the reason or reasons to act in a certain way. Goals, the result or achievement toward which effort is directed. Mindfulness, the state of being fully aware of the present moment. Resilience, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. Inspiration, the process of being mentally stimulated to feel or do something. Now that we know the basic vocabulary, let's put them into use. Here are some sentences and common expressions that involve our new words. 1. I find motivation in my desire to help others. 2. My goal for this year is to learn a new language. 3. Practicing mindfulness helps me stay calm and focused. 4. She showed great resilience by bouncing back from her failures. 5. The speaker's story was an inspiration to everyone in the room. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these words and phrases in your daily conversation. Let's look at some useful phrases you can use when talking about your personal development activities. 1. I am working on improving my skill. 2. I have set a goal to achievement. 3. One area I am focusing on is aspect of self. 4. My strategy for personal growth involves activity, strategy. 5. A habit I am trying to develop is habit. These phrases will help you articulate your personal growth journey and share your self-help strategies with others in English. And there you have it. Today, we've learned some key vocabulary and phrases that you can use to discuss self-help and personal growth in English. Remember, language learning is also a form of personal development, so as you expand your English vocabulary, you're also growing personally. Keep practicing, and never stop learning. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Goodbye, and take care.